I was like, who? I literally just looked who I'm supposed to talk to, and I already forgot. Kalkstein, Ramsmeet, and Taller. They're all over here, aren't they? Kalkstein, Ramsmeet should be over here somewhere. Yeah, he's over here. Ramsmeet is here. Kalkstein is over there, and Taller is over. They're all in different parts of the city, essentially. So you know what that means? A lot more walking down the streets of Vizima. But at least we do have some good news. Oh, I gotta bribe these assholes again. God damn.
Looks like I have to deal. Look.
Yeah, I pay
right,
20 orens. Good news, Ram's ass.
What do you want, Wolf? I figured out Javed. Good. So you gained the element of surprise. But you'll still have to face this powerful sorcerer alone.
Yeah, I'll deal with that when I
Good work, Wolf.
get to it.
Want the truth about Salamandra?
I'm listening.
I'll be back.
Alright, well, that's done.
See ya.
Alright, goodbye. Now, next up is Kalkstein. Who is up here, I believe. There was so much more work left in Vizima than I ever realized. I did legit think that the next step was to go find the tower in the swamp, and then I'll have to come back and continue the main quest. Turns out I didn't even need to leave Vizima for this main quest. Hopefully I will be able to continue in the swamp. I do hope it's not gonna lock out all those things. Although I did get the quest for the 10 runes.
Sorry, I
Kalki.
got lost in thought.
I know Raymond is the son. I suspected you were working with Javed.
I suspected you were working with Javed.
You think I lead Salamandra? I'll die laughing!
No, you know, you never knew. You never know who a person truly is. Someone went a long way to implicate you.
Someone went a long way to implicate you.
Oh, so you believe it's not me?
Azar wanted me to think you worked for him.
I'd never do that. Know why?
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 That madman draws power from fire. It's the element of chaos, uncontrollable by rational thought. The
That's
opposite
why?
of the order embodied in the other elements.
Drawing from fire is dangerous. That's all I need to know.
All right.
Sorry, I got lost in thought.
I know Raymond is the Salamandra leader.
Are you sure?
Yes, I have irrefutable evidence. Azar killed Raymond and assumed his identity using an illusion.
The rogue. What do you intend to do about it?
Good
You're better off
question.
not knowing.
Be careful. He has great power. You must separate him from its source, the element of fire. Lure him to a place where the magical aura is unstable. It would be best if this place was surrounded by the opposing element, water.
The tower in the swamp.
Yeah, okay,
Ideal.
so that's where
You'd
I do
stand a
need to go
chance
there. Okay, so I will need to go there anyway. Oh, you have books. Alright, so I gotta sell something to you to buy these books. 400, 400. They're all 400. Jeez. What will they give me? Provides data on the substances found in basic minerals. Book on oh, I've already read this. A bestiary on ornithosaurs. Provides information on the wyvern, the basilisk, and the cockatrice. And this provides information on algos, scimitars, what's a scimitar? And devourers. Like, I know what is a scimitar. But yes, I am gonna buy all the books. I'm probably gonna regret this. I'm definitely gonna regret this. Oh, that's so much money. Oh god, that was so much money. Oh, I'm back to 2,000. I'm back to being poor. Jeez. Alright. Discuss methods of finding the monsters, alchemical ingredients that can be obtained from them. Good. Probably could have used this earlier, honestly. The book describes basic mineral ingredients used in alchemy, including sulfur, Gnatz's acid, whinstone, Nasen salts, calcium ecum. Oh, I already used that one. And phosphorus. Calcium ecum was used for Triss's potion in the prologue. It also discusses the alcohol substances found in these minerals. And ornithosaurs. On female and male wyverns, as well as cockatrices and basilisks. Now I know. Now I'm a little bit more knowledgeable and capable. And I can't sell you the books back, can I? No, you can't. I don't even think you can sell these books anyway, so I'm just gonna throw them away. No, I'm gonna go to the inn anyway after this. I can store them instead. Alright, so now if I ever fight these creatures, I'll be better prepared, and I can extract things from them. So I gotta go to Thaler now. Yeah, I gotta go here and the left and then to the right. And I will find his shop. See what other insights some of these people may have. No, this is the door. Okay. Congratulations, you are innocent.
I figured out Javed.
Spit it out.
Javed is using an illusion to disguise himself as Raymond. The real detective is dead. I have solid proof. Javed's now free to pursue his plans. He wanted me to go after Vincent, Ramsmeet, and Kalkstein.
Dog's balls. I don't know what to say. A while longer and he'd have duped us all. How do you want to finish this son of a bitch off?
No, with a sword through the face?
Unfortunately, I don't know how.
I mean, I was told how.
They might know.
Yeah, I did that, so...
I'll
we're
find
good.
you later.
Alright. Solid.
I'll
And we
find
have
you
nothing
later.
else to say. Well, I guess we can continue our drinking. Let's continue our drink. Do I even have enough alcohol to get drunk? This is a potion base. This is water. This is also a potion base. I don't want to use my potion bases.
Nothing doing, Witcher.
I'm not a fan of water. Okay.
So,
Now you know what? Let's use a potion base. Screw it. Let's use them all. Man, it's still not over. Oh boy. I guess I got thrown back to the temple. Okay. Oh jeez. Alright, well that was fun. What else is there to do? These contracts are all things. I guess I can go tell Lou about it. Or should I just stay here in Vizima and get this quest done with? This is for the tower, this is for the swamp. The autopsy. And this is also for the swamp. Yeah, I guess we're just doing the autopsy now. The autopsy will reveal Azar's methods. So the fun part is I could just go inside the temple, talk to Shani to meditate, and just make it be evening. We can kill two birds with one stone. I can get rid of this hangover. The problem being Shani isn't here. So there goes that plan. Here I thought I was being clever. Shani, don't you usually work here? Alright, well that plan did not work even remotely as I expected it to. And here I thought I was doing a big brain move. Here I thought I was doing something clever, but no. Rule number 1, do not expect me to be clever. Unfortunately, you cannot let me meditate. Okay, I'm going back to Thaler. I could meditate by talking to Thaler, so I'm just gonna do that. We meet again. You outdrank me.
so what'll it...
And I have 3 talents. Neat. What to spend it on? Crippling, intelligence. This is for oils. I don't think I really need any of these. Poison resistance. I guess I can. Although, is poison resistance just for drinking alcohol? Is it actually going to allow me to resist like poison from monsters? Really, I think I've unlocked most of the things I really want. I can either make my silver swords a bit better, or make my steel swords a bit better. Both are. I am fighting a lot of both. Both people and monsters. It might just be good to upgrade my steel combat styles. And then wait to night. Alright, there's Shani over there. I haven't saved in a while, so I'm gonna just do that.
Ready for the autopsy?
Let's get started.
Ready as I'll ever be. So, what do you need me to do?
Race, human. Gender, male. Wounds, extensive.
Shani, this isn't a lecture hall.
Whatever you say. He died yesterday,
Okay, dude,
torn to
let her
pieces.
cook, okay? She's the expert here. You asked her for help. Torn to pieces. The bone marrow has been sucked out.
The bone marrow has been sucked out. Must be scavengers.
Very likely. Plenty around the cemetery.
So, he was torn to pieces after he died. I'm interested in the cause of death.
I also see some stab wounds. A blade 2 fingers wide.
His neck muscles and palms look tense. How do you know when he died?
External signs aren't everything. His neck muscles
Apparently
and
Garrett's an
palms
expert
look
on all of
tense.
this. Apparently we got all the
How
information
do you
we
know when he
need.
died?
Normally I base it on muscle stiffness and dehydration, but rigor mortis is persisting for too long.
They say successful autopsies are based on curiosity. Should we look?
Let's check his internal organs.
Oh, that's just pleasant.
The symptoms are peculiar, and the cause of death, too.
Those wounds are too obvious. I suspect something more. Poison?
If so, a rare sword. Perhaps an alchemist's brew.
Kalkstein?
Ah! Liver's completely cirrhotic. It was obviously a potent poison. This stinks of alchemy.
This is too easy.
Life can be simple sometimes.
Are you certain poison is the only explanation for the unusual rigor mortis?
The most likely cause.
I have a sinking feeling there's more to this.
We can try the coroner's last resort, opening the skull.
I mean, we do know that Kalkstein was being framed. It's possible items were purchased from Kalkstein. Or didn't Kalkstein say that like he sells things and doesn't care how they're used? So that's probably just an explanation. He sold poison and was like, hey, as long as you don't use it on me, you know, we're good.
Opening the skull, always a pleasure. See that in the brain?
Larva of the Zeracanian tsetse fly.
But how did they get in his brain?
It's part of their development cycle. If we were in Zeracania, I'd say a fly crawled up his nose and laid its eggs.
We're in Temeria.
Our climate is too cold and dry for the tsetse fly. Even if someone brought eggs, how would they get up his nose?
What do these eggs look like?
Tiny, white, like flour.
Or Fistek? Geralt, I gave him Fistek before he died. He was suffering terribly, and we had no other anesthetics. I thought it was safe.
Where did you get it?
From your friend, the detective. He told me it was from special stock.
Raymond.
Apparently
Then
it
we have
was
a
special
problem.
stock.
He added eggs to the Fistek, then came here at night to fake the other evidence.
That doesn't sound like Raymond at all.
My
It's not
medallion
Raymond.
vibrates whenever I see him lately. And Zeracania? That's where Azar Javed is from. The real Raymond may no longer be with us.
But I saw him just
No,
yesterday.
yeah, we know he
Azar's
isn't.
using an illusion, trying to manipulate me. Thanks, Shani. I couldn't have figured it out without you.
What will you do now?
I'll talk to Kalkstein first. He should help me prepare.
Alright, so I guess we learned the information, you know, again. We knew that Raymond wasn't the real Raymond, and now we learned it again. Some overlapping
Be careful,
quests.
Geralt. Please don't underestimate Javed.
Oh, so this is just me being immature, but the name of the fly, the tsetse fly, It's just fun because in Bulgarian that means boobies. So in Bulgarian it just sounds like it's the boobies fly. Alright, what am I doing now? That's a different one. This is the contract. I need to lure Hazar Javed. Wait, posing as the private eye? There is no need to perform an autopsy. I know that Hazar Javed is pretending to be Raymond. I will go to him, pretend the autopsy proved nothing, and see what happened. What happens. So what's the other main quest? That's the monoliths. And the mysterious tower. Yeah, the other ones are just side things. So, Kalkstein, how can you help me prepare? I'm pursuing investigation that should lead me to Hazar Javed. Yeah. Alright, let's see how Kalkstein can help. Even though it doesn't say so on the quest, Geralt mentioned it. So let's see what good will come of this. What assistance do you have to offer, Kalki?
Sorry.
No, nothing.
See ya.
No assistance. Alright. I guess that may have been saying that I can... Yeah, I guess I already found out from Kalkstein what I probably should have found out here.
Challenge the Salamandra.
I got a few good hits in, damn. Alright, now just once again being attacked on the streets. This hasn't happened in a while. And going to Hazar Javed. Let's see what'll happen. Oh yeah, the medallion is vibrating up on the top left corner. It's going crazy, and there's Fistek here. Was this the hint before? I didn't notice the medallion. But was the Fistek also a sign? I mean, I did notice the Fistek, but I didn't know that was a sign that this is Hazar Javed.
Yes?
I have the autopsy results.
And?
I couldn't conclude anything.
How's that?
How do I put this? I mistook one vial for another and poured some caustic crap on the corpse. We couldn't draw any conclusions from what remained.
None? None at all?
Not a one. Come on, Raymond. Everyone makes mistakes.
I need to think. Come back later.
I must find a way to lure Hazar into a trap.
Not now.
How though? That's just all it says. I must find a way. Is there something in here that I can... Oh, where'd you go? Small box containing Fistek must be evidence. I'd never suspect Raymond being a user. Yeah.
Here at last.
Mm-hmm.
Listen, I got it all figured out. Kalkstein and Ramsmeet were associates. I have irrefutable evidence.
What do we do with that information?
We set a trap, though it might be dangerous. Gather your equipment and come back later.
All right.
Yes?
I'm ready for Ramsmeet. Okay, so if I do this and I pretend to play along.
I wanted to ask you about the commander of the Royal Guards.
I saw him in town some time ago, busy bashing perverts.
How come?
What don't you understand? Everyone knows the guard commander hates anyone he can call deviant.
Everyone knows, but few care.
Yes?
I'm ready for Ramsmeet.
Good. He leads Salamandra's armed force. You have to kill him.
Won't be easy, but I'll try.
I will tell Raymond that I killed Ramsmeet. Could I maybe have talked to Ramsmeet so that...
Yes?
Good news. You'll be happy, Raymond.
You killed Ramsmeet?
He won't be bothering us anymore. But that's not it. We'll nab Javed soon. I have a plan. Your family will be avenged.
So, what's your plan?
I wanted to take care of this alone, but if you're willing to help...
Of course I am. You're paying me, after all. Besides, we're friends now.
Yes.
Good little
Friends.
bosom buddies.
Now, since we've defanged Javed by getting rid of Ramsmeet, let's plan what he and Kalkstein want so much.
And that is?
The secret's inside the swamp tower. I know how to open it, and I'd like you to do something.
Of course. What?
Come with me to the swamp, and when I open the tower, take the secret books, hide them away from me. We can't let them fall into Javed's hands.
Right. When do we go?
Now.
We need to secure what's hidden in the tower. All the books and scrolls. Bait for our
Alright, so
target.
now we go
Just
into
one
the
thing
swamp.
missing. I have yet to unlock the tower door.
That's where I come in. This stone is the key to the tower, or part of the key. You make sure you get Kalkstein interested, like we agreed.
Alright, I got the Cathar. Was Cathar the one that was Destiny? Is that the one? Yeah, Cathar is Destiny. Okay, that's... I guess you weren't wrong. And the other one is the Tower Sentry, a random cave somewhere. I don't know about it.
Yes?
We'll speak later.
Alright, so now we have all the puzzle pieces we need. Now we can go to the swamp. Now we can finally leave and continue our missions elsewhere. I guess I don't need to talk to Kalkstein, do I? Would he have different dialogue? I guess it doesn't hurt to check. I've been backtracking a while today, so you know, what's a bit more backtracking? This is the backtracking session. And this is just the long cardio playthrough. Alright, do you have any interesting dialogue? I found the Destiny rune, or the Destiny Sephiroth. I probably could have made a Final Fantasy joke in there somewhere, I just chose not to. I know, I'm gonna talk to Kalkstein. I may make a day. I wanna rest. Oh, you have a
Sorry, I got lost.
bat thing. That's pleasant. Alright, gone.